Hey, what is going on, guys? It's me, Anafan. Welcome back to Take Chably. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Today's video, let's do some unboxings with me. Now, we're gonna go and unboxing one of the possibly best in its price Bluetooth earphones. It's the Mivi color wireless earphones. So, let's get started. Okay guys, I've bought quite a few wireless earphones. I've got one of the Bluetooth wireless earphones, which is the Bluetooth earphones. I did make a video unboxing on it. Now, this is the second Mivi color wireless earphones. Well, to my Ecomoxo buying experience, these wireless earphones give people a very good impression on the way they pack their boxes. Carefully, good outside design, good attractive color on box. Now, let's tear it up. Some of the earphone manufacturers don't have the plastic cover all over the box. This Mivi color box has. Let's check out the features for this Mivi. It contains most of the features that make a good wireless earphones. HD stereo sounds, super solid bass. That's a good pump for music, huh? This Mivi comes along with long battery performance. You can use the earphone at 70% volume within 10 hours. That's great battery life. I remember that the previous wireless Bluetooth earphone, the Bluetooth one, just gave me around like 7 hours. This Mivi has lightweight and got design in U shape, which is convenient for carrying it along with you. Both of the earphones get magnetic locking, so it sticks together when you're not putting it on your ears. The Mivi color wireless earphones support Bluetooth 4.1. In other words, the connectivity is usable up to 30 feet. One of the things that this Mivi earphones doesn't have is the active noise cancel. But how can we ask for more from a very affordable pricing earphone, right? Now, let's talk about some seamlessly highlighted features that you will love from this wireless Bluetooth earphone. First of the feature is the dual pairing. This is one of the valuable feature of Mivi color. With dual pairing mode, you're able to pair your earphones with two Bluetooth devices at a time. It allows you to switch in between these devices easily. For this Mivi earphones, you will receive a limited 1-year warranty of the product. I bought it on discounted price for $41. If not, the price could be up to $100. If you ever decided to buy a Bluetooth wireless earphones, you consider this Mivi color. You can leave a comment down below this video about your idea on buying an affordable wireless earphones. Okay guys, please leave me a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos later on. Goodbye for now.